I used AI to visualize my £1 million revenue year. But here's the mad part. It didn't just create a nice picture, it actually built a strategic roadmap to achieve it in under 60 seconds. Let's get stuck in. So let's begin on Venngage, and I'm starting with the AI vision board generator. I've typed in a prompt here, and it says, the future vision board for my £1 million revenue year. Include visuals for high-ticket client wins, global speaking stages, passive income streams, and a luxury home office. The tone's gonna be aspirational, and of course, full of energy. Let's hit Generate Design, and then it immediately gets to work. And in just a few seconds, it creates a visual North Star for our business. Now, as we can see here on the vision board, we've got the goal, the office we mentioned, the high-ticket client wins with a picture, and passive income streams right there as well. To make it real, let's head over to AI Tools and generate some images. To make it real, I'm going to select this generic office image you can see here, and we're just going to press Modify. Then we can type into this little box here for the AI to make changes. So you can see I've written hyper-realistic modern glass home office overlooking an ocean. And now we can see the original was in a city, and now they've changed it to overlook an ocean, which is brilliant. So it's now tailored to my goal, not just a generic dream. Now, what is Venngage? Because we've been using this so far, and you're probably curious. Well, this is a platform with over 100 free AI-powered design tools that bridge the gap between dreaming and doing. It's designed for entrepreneurs and creators who need professional visuals without having a design degree. Whether you need vision boards, strategic roadmaps, or infographics, you can sign up for free and get unlimited access to over 40 of these generators straight away. They usually add new AI tools every week, so your toolkit for business growth is always growing. Now, a vision board is brilliant, but now I'm going to switch to the AI presentation generator to turn this dream into data. So the prompt we're using is a strategic roadmap presentation to achieve a 1 million per year vision board. Includes slides for Q1 foundation, Q2 scaling sales, and Q3 automation. Let's hit Generate. And in no time at all, you can see this is an absolute game changer. This turned my abstract goals into a concrete quarterly action plan. Now, I'm going to use the brand kit, and if we wanted it to match the other one we had, we can basically just pick one here. And as you can see, it's going to shuffle that about, and we can find one that suits our luxury style. So now we have two documents, essentially, and both feel cohesive and on brand. Next, I'm going to highlight the sales strategy text and use Refine here to improve the text. And then we have options here to refine the text further. We could enter a prompt. We can ask it to shorten it, elaborate, make it more professional, or simply correct spelling and grammar if we had written this ourselves. Let's go ahead and make this more professional. And now it has changed and updated the text. Now, real professionals make sure their plans are clear to everyone. So I'm going to go to File here and then check accessibility. From that point, we can press Check My Design, and then it scans my roadmap to ensure the text contrast is readable on any screen. This is crucial if I'm sharing this with a team or investors. Here we can see it's flagged one issue with the text sizes, so we can go ahead and find which places are struggling, and we can increase the font size of each of those very, very easily. And after we've changed that very easily with their very interactive and intuitive UI, we can see that this is a lot more approachable. Now, in order to export this, it is incredibly easy. We simply go to the top right here and press Download. We can export as a PNG, PNG HD, PDF, PowerPoint, or even email HTML, so there's plenty of versatility here. Let's go with a PDF. And if we open Acrobat, we can see we've got our fully functioning PDF here with everything we designed in just a few minutes. So stop just dreaming and start building. Click the link in the description to sign up for Venngage and use the code AIBRAIN50 to get 50% off your annual premium or business plan. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next video.